In this video, I will show you how you can fix Windows can't delete file or folder. So here is a step-by-step guide to fixing the issue when Windows won't let you delete a file or folder. The first thing you can do is to go ahead and open Task Manager. So simply click on Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Now on Task Manager, find the application that might be using the file. So in this list of applications, simply click on the End Task button at the bottom right of this pop-up. After that, go ahead and try deleting the file again. And that is how you can basically fix Windows can't delete file or folder. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.